Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting after update in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your Wi-Fi is not connecting after update, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try, you just have to go to your settings app here, go to connections, go to Wi-Fi, click on this settings icon over here and click on forget. Once I forget, you have to try to reconnect with that same network here. Just enter the password again. Like you have to enter your password, and once you have re-enter your password and reconnect, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, scroll to the control center. Enable your airplane mode or your flight mode. Once I've enabled, disable this. It will make a quick refresh including your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, your cellular or your SIM service. Once I've done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, go to settings again, go to connections, Wi-Fi again here, click on these three dots in the top right and here, click on Intelligent Wi-Fi. Make sure that the switch to better Wi-Fi networks is disabled because if you have enabled this one, so it will automatically switch to better Wi-Fi network, which might be sometime suspicious or their phone, or sometimes you're unable to connect with a specific Wi-Fi network. Once I've done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, click on this settings or the gear icon over here. Click on this view more and IP setting. Click on it. Click on static. So it might be harder to adjust your IP setting by your own. Just enter IP address, gateway, DNS network prefix length, and DNS2. So it might be harder, but you can try this step. Once I've done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, just scroll in the control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and click on restart icon again to have a restart with your phone. And once I've restarted, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so there's the only way, just go to settings here, scroll down to and go to general management, go to reset here, click on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, click on reset settings. It will completely reset your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. If there will be any issue with your Wi-Fi Bluetooth setting, it might be fixed in this step. So after this, you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.